Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins incredibly soft and fluffy. The secret lies in understanding the science behind your ingredients and mixing technique. Overmixing is the #1 culprit for tough muffins, as it develops gluten. Instead, gently fold your wet and dry ingredients together until they are just combined. A lumpy batter is actually a good sign, indicating you haven't overmixed. Next, pay attention to ingredient temperature. Using room temperature eggs, milk, and butter ensures they emulsify smoothly into your batter. Cold ingredients can cause the mixture to curdle, affecting the final texture. For an extra boost of moisture and tenderness, consider incorporating acidic ingredients like buttermilk or plain yogurt. These react with baking soda, contributing to a lighter crumb. Ensuring your leavening agents are fresh is paramount for a good rise. Always check the expiration dates on your baking powder and baking soda. After mixing, let your batter rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This short rest allows the flour to fully hydrate, creating a more tender crumb. It also gives the gluten a chance to relax, preventing a tough texture. Finally, the baking process is key. Start your muffins in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 5 minutes. This initial high heat creates a quick rise, forming that desirable dome top. Then, reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for the remaining 15 to 20 minutes. Do not overbake. A toothpick inserted should come out with moist crumbs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.